Here, welcome to my channel. We continue with our Bootstrap class where we are learning the Bootstrap basics, and by the end of the course we are supposed to be able to make a website like this. This is a Bootstrap website made for illustration purposes, and it's responsive, mobile friendly, and very fast. We are going to make this website in the end, and we hope you're going to enjoy this course. Let us get started. The last class we did was about colors, as you can see, and alerts. So this class we're going to do Bootstrap forms, how to make forms. So let us go to our code editor. We open our file. I've deleted what we did last. As you can see now, it's just the navigation. So in here we're going to make our form. Okay, so we are going to do our div of class container. Okay, then inside the div, remember, we're going to do another div of class row. Okay, then inside this row we're going to add div of class call dash md dash 6. Then we want how many? Let's do 3 times 3. Of course this is more than 12, so I want to change this to 3. Now this one 3. So we are going to have 3 columns, but the middle one is 6 and the ones at the end are just 3. So if we write anything here, it will appear to be in the middle of the page, like that. You see, hello. If we center this, it will come to somewhere like here, just the middle. So here there's 3 and 3 at the end, and the margins, because our class is our main div here is container, so we have a margin at both extremes, both ends. So inside this is how we are going to make our form, inside this div. So delete this hello and we do our form. So form, okay. Now before we continue with this form, I want us to go to Bootstrap website, and on the left column here you will see forms. This, you click on forms to bring you to these forms here. You can be able to see different kinds of forms, and you can choose whichever you want. Like this is a form, email address and password. This is another form, the code is here, and this is another form. Okay, so let us take this form, this for email and password, because we are going to use this form later. Okay, so as you can see, this is the code for the form. You can copy this code and add it to your website, but let us just make it very fast. Yeah, so inside the form we can do a div dot div of class form group. Okay, then inside here we have the input type text. Okay, this is where you add your form input. As you can see here, have this input type. Okay, this, that input, that. Okay, so type text, but we want to change this to type email. Okay, before that let us do another one here, input type text. That is for the name. Okay, then this is for the email. Let's just add a placeholder. This is enter name, then enter email. Okay, so here we're going to have a text area. Okay, placeholder, enter message, then we can view our form by refreshing the page here, and you can see we have enter name, enter email, enter message. Now what is missing? You guessed it right, we need a button to submit the form. Okay, so here we create a button. Remember how to create a button. You create a link, give it a class. Okay, a class of btn. Okay, btn dash md medium for the button, then btn dash info for the color. Okay, save that, and now if you refresh this, you will see have this, but now we add send. So you're able to send. Okay, now inside this we're going to give this class, another class inside our input here, form control. Okay, so we give it a class form dash control. Form control, then form dash control sm small. Now this one allows the form element to span the whole width of the class, or of the column, that is the whole width of the column. So let's see. You see, now that is our form. And now let us create a title for the form. Here you can have it here and say this is a form for contact us. So this should be maybe H4, heading for contact us. Okay, then inside this, let us give the class of text dash center to make sure everything in that form is centered. You see, contact us, and let us give this class a margin top empty dash 2. Make sure it's not touching the navigation there. Now you can add your name. My name is Flanders. My email is flanders@something.something, and my message is this. Then I can send the message. Hope you get it. Kindly practice, and we shall continue. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share. Thank you. See you in the next video.